Hello and welcome to Halo Navigator. In this video, I'll be showing you the upcoming features. So to start, we'll head up to the extension and select the Config tab. Scroll down a little and you'll be able to see tab visibility. From here, you can disable or enable tabs as you choose or as you wish to see. Really straightforward and simple. You'll also notice we have a history tab. By default, this is disabled. So let's enable that, head to the history tab, and from here you have an activity timeline. So this tracks the areas of the platform that you've been visiting. Again, similar to the tab itself, by default it is disabled, so let's go and enable that. The history limit can be set to a maximum of 50 and will only track rules you have configured. We also have draft backups, and I'll come back to that a little later. So what else is next? We're going to head over to reporting. And we're going to open up a SQL report. So let's open up item metrics and first contact resolution. We'll go to edit, data source, and we have here a custom SQL query. With we have out of the box already something called SQL Prettify, but we've made an enhancement to that. And to see what you can do with that, head to the extension again, config, tools, and we have SQL Formatting defaults. And from here, you can pick and choose how your SQL is to be formatted. We have these enabled by default. Can obviously switch on and off as you please. If you hover over one of these, you'll get a little information on what each does. So expand comma list is put each item in a comma separated list in a new line. Pretty straightforward. So if you do make any changes, remember to save config. And to actually do Prettify itself, there are a couple of ways. You can do it through tools and you have Prettify SQL. Just that, you can see here at the top you have a toast, say SQL Prettified. You can see your SQL has been updated. Control Z. The other way to do it is open up your command palette using the hash key. Type in pretty, enter. It does the same thing. It's really, really simple. Okay, next. We'll show you how to open an agent or user record. This is done through the command palette. So we'll press the hash key, type in @ then A. You can do @A or @agent to search for an agent. Then space, we'll look for the agent name. So we'll look for Olivia Jen. And press enter. And here we go. So we can see searching for Olivia. It's put the name in and it's opened the record. If you search for something more generic, so perhaps Olivia, we will open up the first record it finds, but obviously you can go back and it will return you to the search results. User search works in pretty much the same way. Open up the command palette, @ and then you or user. We'll search for Olivia Chen again. Press enter. We can do a search. Here we go. Olivia Chen. Record has been opened. Nice and quick and easy. And might save you a little time in the future. Okay, then the next thing we'll do is we're going to create a new ticket. So to show you a couple of things. The first thing is you might be using this already, but we have something called Capture Snapshots in the extension. And what this does is it can capture your text fields that you filled in. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do some typing. Go. We're going to add section in. Drop and click. We'll add an image in. Let's do the logo. Give it a resize. Yeah, it's huge. Update. There we go. Turn caps lock off. Okay, so to capture text, you can either head up to the extension, then Vault, then Capture. There we go, so we capture the snapshot. And from here, we can actually rename it. So we can call it test. You can do enter and it'll save it, or select a tick. So if I select all, get rid of that, then head back here, go to default and test inject. See, I'll put everything back in. Alternatively, command palette, type in cap space, you've got an option to inject a snapshot. So I'm going to select that one. I've injected it. You can also capture text fields this way as well. So we do hash cap, hash to open the command palette, type in cap, press enter, and it captures a snapshot. So we head back to Vault and we can see we've captured it there. Now, the alternative way, so if you're working on bigger forms, it might be a better option, might not be, is draft backups. So I'm going to enable draft backup. I'm going to set to 3 seconds. The default is 30 seconds. I'm going to do pretty much the same thing. I'm going to fill in this form. My goodness, my typing is awful. Do the same thing. I'm going to insert an image and do another random one. This time, producing Prettify. So there's some testing there. We'll stick in another emoji. Okay, and there we have it. Let's get rid of that. So we head back up to the extension and history. You can see here we have captured the details. You notice you can see it's quite small, but it capture one field, details. You can give this a rename if you want. What's a test, for example. You can get rid of it here, clicking the X, or clear backups. If you disable this, your draft will be saved already. And we've got an option here to copy fields. So what you can't do is you can't paste directly into your text field because the data is captured in HTML format. Let's open up Notepad so you can see. So here we are. So we have the field name at the top, and then we have the actual HTML. So to put this back in, we're going to copy that. We're going to get rid of all of this and switch over to the code view. Paste it in. Switch back to your normal view. And there we go. We've put it straight back in. Not too much effort, but it has captured your form. So any subsequent changes you make, it will be captured, which is pretty neat. There you go, you can see you've got a little timestamp or when things are updated. Okay, that's it for this, or that's not it for this video. I was going to show you the history really quickly. So we head back to history, you can see where we've been. So I'm going to head back to reporting if I wanted to. There we go. That's reporting. And then, so configurations, you can see it's gone back to agents. There we go. That is all I was going to show you. So thanks for watching. I'm also on LinkedIn, so the link will be in the video description. Please stop by and say hello or leave a comment here. If there's anything you'd like to see in terms of features